Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Have you people done yesterday's revision? Nobody is answering. Have you done yesterday's revision, children?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I was asking, have you people done yesterday's revision? Open up yesterday's revision. Where have you written the questions? Share that picture. Where have you written the questions on the official group? SR 5th class official group. The questions
Okay,
that you
ma'am.
did.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Faiz. Beta, everybody, please share the revision worksheet that you people have written in your notebooks in the official group.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Children, I have
Good
asked
morning,
you
ma'am.
to share the picture of the revision worksheet that I gave you yesterday. जो कल revision हमने करी थी, आपने जिस भी notebook पे करी है, please click the photo and send it in the official group. और अगर नहीं करी है, so please do it right now. Sameed, where is the worksheet? नहीं करी है, नहीं करी है ना? बेटा आप अभी भी नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Ma'am, I have not attended the class yesterday.
Don't tell me, don't give me this reason. I have not attended. That is why I sent the entire worksheet in the official group, no? Even if you have not attended the class, you could have done that revision work later. I have shared the revision again. Please do it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kartike. I have got Akshadeep's work. Good, Akshadeep. I'm just checking it. Beta, you have not written the question answers, Akshadeep. Write down the answers right now. Beta, fourth fill up you have written. The secret call was a secret whisper to summon dolphins. Whistle is also correct. If you write whistle, that is also correct. Sam felt relief नहीं आएगा बेटा. Sam felt sleepy. Okay, let's discuss the first worksheet. Who will tell me the meaning of chugged out? Very good. Everybody has turned off their cameras. Atharv, yes, chugged out.
Ma'am, checked out means moved toward the sea with no sound.
Okay. Groaned. Fez. Who will tell me the answer for the second word meaning? Groaned.
Ma'am, may I have the low?
Kartike. Kartike.
Showing a low, deep sound expressing pain.
Have you written it? Have you learnt it, or you are reading and then you are telling me the answer?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm telling. Ma'am, I have learned. Ma'am,
Okay, good. Next is relieved.
can I tell?
Yes, Fez. May I tell?
Did not feel frightened anymore.
Okay. Who will tell me the spellings of frightened? Samid. Spellings of frightened.
Ma'am,
GH.
G G H T
E.
N
T.
E N D E T N D.
GHTENED. Frightened. Okay. Revive. Amritansh. Revive. Aditya. Ria.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sayed.
I'm bringing him back to consciousness.
Consciousness. Aditya, please tell me the spellings of consciousness.
CONSIOUNESS.
OUS. Consciousness. Thenness. Okay. Sanskriti. Glinting.
Ma'am, sparkling.
Okay. Now we are coming to the Phillips. Sam and his family visited the island every
Summer vacation.
summer. Summer is also correct. Summer vacation is also correct. Year nahi aayega beta. Every summer. The head waiter at the restaurant was named
Dominic.
Armando threw Sam a dash to wear before swimming.
Costume.
बेटा costume नहीं,
Light
life
jacket.
jacket.
Light jacket.
The secret call was a special dash to summon dolphins.
Special vision.
Special whistle. Okay. Sam felt dash after the chugging of the boat and gentle sea breeze. What did he feel?
Uneasy.
Sleepy.
Sleepy, yes.
Uneasy.
Why uneasy? He felt relaxed and he felt sleepy. Okay. True and false. Sam was able to blow the whistle successfully on his first attempt.
No. Ma'am, can I tell?
False.
No, ma'am.
False. Okay.
No.
Armando was hesitant to teach Sam the secret call because it was his personal secret.
True. Yes, ma'am. True.
Okay. Fine. Then we have a large wave crashed over the side of the boat, throwing Sam onto the floor.
Ma'am,
False.
true.
False. False.
Who was lying on the floor of the boat?
Armando.
Armando. Okay. The dolphins did not respond to the secret call.
False.
False. Armando is the cousin of
False.
Dominic, the head waiter.
True.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Fine.
False.
It is true.
Yeah.
Then we have, okay, Shubh, you will answer the first question. Who is Sam in the story?
Ma'am, may I?
I want Shubh to answer this question.
Ma'am, Sam is a boy that, ma'am, who comes with his family to this island,
To the island.
to the island in every summer vacations.
Fine. You can also write down Sam is the main character of the story. That is also correct. I don't want any explained answer. This much answer is correct. What is the secret call mentioned in the title? I want Devyansh to answer this question. What is the secret call mentioned in the question? Sanskriti.
Ma'am, the secret call is the whistle.
Beta, look at the question, then frame your answer from the question only. Proper. What is the secret call mentioned in the title? So how will you start your answer?
Ma'am, the secret call is the whistle mentioned in the title
To call?
to call the dolphins.
Okay. Why does Sam need to use the secret call? Why he need to use the secret call to call the dolphins? Why the dolphins will not come like that?
ma'am, because he have to revive the Armando.
Please frame your full answer, Faiz. Don't start your answer from because. Sam, since it's a present, the question is in a present tense, please use needs. Sam needs to use the secret call because. Who will answer? Ria.
To call dolphins.
Ma'am,
Wait.
Ma'am,
Ria. Wait, Atharv. Ria.
yes.
Tell me the answer for the third question of the revision worksheet.
Sam used the secret call because he was getting no other idea in his mind.
For what?
Ma'am, to revive Armando.
He did not call dolphins to revive Armando. Did he call? Dolphins helped him to revive Armando.
Ma'am,
Yes, Atharv.
Ma'am, the Armando called the dolphins because
Beta,
his
there is a
boat.
word called need that is also written in the question. Please use that word. Sam needs to
He
call
need
the
help. dolphin because his boat is stuck in the storm. Afterwards, when he whistles, the dolphin helps him
Fine.
for a hour.
Good. Good.
Ma'am,
Atul. Yes, Akshadeep.
Sam need to use the secret call because he has to left from the storm.
Fine. That is also correct. So, since Sam and Armando were stuck in the middle of the sea and Armando was unconscious, so Sam could not find any other help other than calling the dolphins to push their boat. So you have to mention that why, because Armando was unconscious, and what help was he expecting from the dolphins, that also. You can write the answer in 2 lines only, but you have to mention all the points. Then is, who does Sam make the secret call to? Very simple answer, Divyansh.
Ma'am,
Now, where is Divyansh now? Naman.
yes, ma'am.
Naman.
Ma'am, I'm there, ma'am. Divyansh.
So why are you not responding when I'm calling your name? Divyansh, tell me the answer of the fourth question. Who does Sam make the secret call to?
Ma'am, the Armando sends the secret call of the Sam.
Beta, please read the
Ma'am, can I?
question. Read the question carefully, beta. Who does Sam make the secret call to? Sam ने secret call किसके लिए करी थी?
Ma'am, for
Ma'am,
dolphins.
dolphins.
तो बेटा हिंदी में थोड़ी एक्सप्लेन करूंगी क्वेश्चन, ये तो सिंपल क्वेश्चन था.
Ma'am, for
Frame the full
dolphins.
sentence. Divyansh, frame full sentence.
Sam make the Sam makes this secret call because
Make.
they
बिकॉज नहीं है,
called.
वाई नहीं है. दिव्यांश प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड बेटा, वाई नहीं है, सिर्फ हु लिखा है. वाई में बिकॉज
Ma'am, Armando makes this
अरमांडो
secret
नहीं है,
call.
दिव्यांश सैम है. There's no light, इसको चार्जर
क्वेश्चन तो देख लो.
दिव्यांश, हरी अप, फ्रेम द आंसर बच्चे.
Ma'am, Sam makes secret call too because Sam makes secret call to call dolphins.
Yes, that's the correct answer. Sam makes the secret call to call the dolphins. The dolphins. Good. Okay, I want Amritansh, you're there. Som is there. Okay. Som, fifth question. What happens after Sam uses the secret call?
Many dolphins come.
Sam answer is correct, but incomplete answer is there. Please frame full sentence.
Okay, ma'am. Then Sam visit many of dolphins come there.
Your answer will start from the question only. After Sam uses the secret call, then continue the answer.
After them, Sam uses the secret call. The dolphin, many of dolphins come.
did the dolphins do?
Help Sam
How?
by
Hazik.
pushing their boat.
हाँ, so बच्चा frame this full answer together. No, Hazik, frame the full answer, beta. That's the correct answer, Som, but I will not ask again and again, no? You have to frame the full. Yes, Hazik.
Ma'am, after Sam uses the secret call, the dolphins came for help and pushed the boat until the storm was over.
That's the correct answer. Children, please make a note. Whenever a question is there, at least write the full answer. I did not say explain the answer, but write the full answer, no? Now it's a critical thinking question. Critical thinking question means thinking based on the chapter. Why do you think Sam kept the call a secret?
May I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am, please.
Akshadeep. Yes, Akshadeep.
So Sam kept the secret. Sam kept the call as secret because the hunter cannot hunt the dolphins for their money and other things.
Okay, because fine, that's also the correct answer. He was worried that if somebody else might be aware of this, then they will hurt the dolphins. So to keep the dolphins safe, he has kept this
Ma'am,
a secret.
bad hunters.
Hunters are always bad. Who are good hunters? Okay, next is what lesson does the story teach us?
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Yes, Kartike.
The story teaches if you are
The
in
story
danger,
teaches
don't.
us. Teaches.
The story teaches us that if you are in danger, so um did
Do
not
not.
lose your hope and come out bravely with an amazing solution.
Okay. So, whenever there is a danger, first is you should always learn new things because they might help you when you are in a danger. Second, whenever you are stuck in a problem, never lose hope. Face the problem with your determination and courage, and you will find the solution. Fine, that's the correct. Children, we are moving on to the revision of our next chapter, that is the newspaper boy. Who will tell me the story of the newspaper boy?
Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, may I tell? May I tell?
Starting of the story will be done by Atharv, then followed by Kartike, then we have Akshadeep.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, may I start telling?
Yes, please start.
Ma'am, the newspaper, chapter 7, the newspaper boy. Ma'am, once upon a time, there was a boy. His parents had died before he could to 10. He left. His siblings were left at Hyderabad. He was alone. He has got rent-free house. He had to walk 5 kilometers every day to distribute the newspaper from Kachiguda.
Please tell the name of the newspaper also, Atharv.
Ma'am, the Urdu.
Urdu Daily
Ma'am.
Manzil.
The Urdu really sad.
Manzil.
Ma'am,
The name of the
after that,
newspaper was Manzil.
after that he will come to home at 6 p.m. and eat his lunch faster and again go to school.
Lunch.
After
After lunch, he
lunch,
used to go to school.
then he come from school.
Okay. Okay, fine. Fine, Atharv. Okay. Akshadeep, continue. So, in the starting background of the story, is told by Akshadeep, where before the narrator could turn 10, he lost his parents and the siblings were taken away by the other relatives of the family. Whereas the narrator, he continued to stay in the same place. The owners of the house were really helpful. They allowed him to stay without paying any rent, but he had to work to earn his livelihood. So he started working in one of the newspaper agency where his work was to distribute newspapers. Since he did not have any money to hire or use any mode of transportation, so he had to walk a lot of distance from his house to the newspaper for the distribution of the newspaper. Then he had to come back, then eat whatever food was there, and then he has to walk to his school. So it was little very tiring for him, but he managed to do it with his grit and courage. Okay. Now, after this, when he was, there were some instances which were mentioned that it is a post-independence time, and some things were there which were there in the post-independence time, and now they are not there. For example, which is the first, Aditya? If we talk about the post-independence India, what were the things which were there and now they have changed? दिव्यांश कोई भी एक चीज बताओ बेटा जो चैप्टर में लिखी है
Yes, ma'am.
पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस इंडिया में ये था अब नहीं है कौन से हैं 3 चीजें जो चैप्टर में मेंशन हुई हैं हु विल टेल
Ma'am, may I tell?
यस अक्षदीप
Ma'am, the expensive brand of cycle.
okay one is the Hercules which was the expensive and imported brand of cycle fine Kartikeya
Ma'am, may I tell?
yes Kartikeya Faiz
Ma'am, Tuesday holiday.
Tuesday or a Friday
Ma'am, Friday and Saturday.
Friday. Before independence, Fridays were weekly off in the Nizam states. Fine. What else? There is one more which is mentioned in the chapter.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I
Som.
tell?
Yes, Som. May I
Newspaper
tell?
that.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Som is answering. Yes, Som.
Ma'am, please.
Yes, Divyansh.
Ma'am, after the
Ma'am, that
Nizam also.
newspaper.
Som, wait, bacha. Divyansh, answer.
Ma'am, newspaper.
Divyansh, answer, please.
Ma'am, after the Nizam also.
What are you answering, Divyansh? I said, what is the third thing you're saying after the Nizam? Yes, Hazik.
Ma'am, metric system was hot during the
Metric in
post-independence.
good, Hazik. Metric system was not introduced.
Ma'am, I forgot to answer that only.
Divyansh, pay attention, please. Okay. So these were the 3
Ma'am,
things.
yesterday I read the question answers of this chapter. I forgot also.
It is not good then, Kartikeya. It is Divyansh, it is not good. If you have learned the answers yesterday and today you forgot. Fine. Please understand the
Ma'am,
question. Divyansh, please understand the question first. Think and then answer. रेस नहीं लगी है कि पहले कौन जवाब देगा. सही जवाब देना है. Is that correct? Okay. Now,
Ma'am, I have learned the bird meanings and question answer both.
good. Now we move on further to the story that one winter Friday when he was sitting at his home, school was off, and he was having his food. Suddenly there was a knock at the door and he had to answer it. He saw that one of his classmates, he is asking for him to come to his house as his parents wants to meet. What was the name of his classmate?
Ma'am, Afzal.
Afzal.
Ma'am,
Now, Afzal's parents,
Afzal.
Afzal's father's name was Abdul Qadir. He worked as electrical foreman in Lalgoda workshops, Nizam Railway States. And His mother's name was Naseem Bano. They both were very, very caring and a considerate parents. The moment the narrator ended up, जैसे उनके घर पे पहुंचा, he felt like home. इतने दिन से अकेला रह रहा था, पेरेंट्स नहीं हैं, एंड वट एवर ही कुड मैनेज ही कुड ईट दैट. लेकिन जैसे उनके घर पहुंचता है, देर इज अ लैविश स्प्रेड. लैविश मतलब इतना सारा खाना रखा होता है. और जब उनकी अफजल की मदर उनको बड़े प्यार से ट्रीट करती है, ही फेल्ट वेरी इमोशनल एंड होम लाइक. एंड देन they gifted him one of the Hercules cycle. He was really touched and surprised that they have gifted such an expensive cycle. Then Afzal's father, he told him that the newspaper editor has actually approached him. उन्होंने बताया कि ऐसे ऐसे करके एक the newspaper boy है, and he's a very hard working boy, but he does not have even a cycle. So looking at the hard work, dedication, uh, good nature of the newspaper boy, the newspaper editor, Afzal, and Afzal's parents, they all plan to help him. Now, who will tell me that what were the benefits of the cycle?
Ma'am, my turn.
No,
my
I want
turn.
somebody else now.
My
Shubh,
turn.
Shubh, Amritansh, Riya, Satvik, Aditya.
My turn.
What are the other
Ma'am, my
children doing
turn.
in the class? Beta, if you will not take revision seriously, then it will not help. If you think that, 3 or 4 days prior to your exam, you will revise all the subjects, all the chapters, it is not possible. You need to work hard. We
Ma'am,
already finished with our English literature syllabus. We have started with the revision. It's a good time to finish English literature, at least one subject.
ma'am,
Yes, Devyansh.
ma'am, the annual exam is starting in the March.
Yes, 1st March.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Yes, Kartike.
The cycle helped the speaker by saving his time and saving his energy for completing. It helped us to complete his
It
work
helped him.
and go.
It helped him, not us.
It helped him to go faster in the school and complete his work.
Okay, fine. That's the correct answer. Children, today I'll post, today nahi. Fine. I'll be posting a revision worksheet based on this chapter. Please learn this chapter, The Newspaper Boy, and complete that worksheet. Okay? Start learning. Start with the word meanings.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we revise also exercises?
You have to revise the full chapter, Divyansh. यस बच्चे. यस.
Whatever the speaker refers to, the speaker has to referencing to of the newspaper.